Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Boost. In this video, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a bad brake light switch. The brake light switch, also known as the brake sensor, activates the brake lights when the brake pedal is pressed. This alerts drivers behind the vehicle that it is slowing down or stopping. This indication is important to prevent rear-end collisions. The brake light switch is found within the brake pedal assembly. You will find it located under the firewall or dashboard. It is found at the pedal lever's top. Symptoms of a bad brake light switch. 1. Brake lights not illuminating. If your brake lights do not come on when you press the brake pedal, it means your brake light switch is faulty. If the switch is unable to close the circuit when the brake pedal is pressed, it interrupts the flow of electricity to the brake lights, preventing them from illuminating. 2. Brake lights staying on. One of the most common symptoms of a defective brake switch is when the brake lights remain on, even after you turn the vehicle off. This malfunction is caused by a short that leads the system to think you are still pushing on the brake pedal. 3. Intermittent brake light operation. Intermittent brake light operation may result from a loose or unreliable connection within the brake light switch. When the connection is disrupted, the circuit opens and closes sporadically, leading to intermittent brake light function. 4. Cruise control not working. Many vehicles use the brake light switch to disengage the cruise control when the brakes are applied. If the switch fails, it may not send the signal to deactivate the cruise control, causing issues with this system. 5. Shift interlock problems. In vehicles with automatic transmissions, the brake light switch is often connected to the shift interlock system. A bad brake switch can prevent the interlock from releasing, making it difficult to shift out of park. 6. Check engine light. If the brake light switch or its circuit is faulty, it can trigger the vehicle's onboard computer to illuminate the check engine light. The vehicle computer detects an issue with the brake light switch system and alerts the driver to the problem. 7. ABS malfunction. In certain vehicles, the brake light switch is linked to the ABS system. A faulty brake switch may disrupt the communication between the brake pedal and the ABS system. This may lead to potential issues with anti-lock braking functionality. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.